Here we are at Noteboom RV in Harrisburg, South Dakota. We are available 5 miles south of Sioux Falls on Minnesota Avenue, giving you a tour of a 2014 Crossroads Cruiser 355BL. This is a fifth wheel unit, has a mid-bunk, as we will show you in this tour here. Like I said, this is Noteboom RV 605-743-4002. Rear living unit here. Plenty of seating space. As you can see, the couch here does convert into a dinette as well, so it does have that added option there. All leather seating here, plenty of storage as well. You do get an electric fireplace, entertainment center here in the corner, full kitchen area, kitchen hutch over here, plenty of storage space there, plenty of countertop space too, which is always nice. And as you can see on this slide here, no carpet over there, so no need to bring out the vacuum on that side. But let's go ahead and take a tour of the bunkhouse area, which is very cool. Alright, we are inside the bunkhouse. As you can see, first going to show off the storage that is available here. Storage on both sides up top. Easy access from the top bunk that we have up here. And let's show off these bunks. These bunks are very cool. Easy to get in and out of here. Plenty of space as well. And there's a ladder off to the side. To get to the top bunk, 250-pound weight capacity on the top bunk. So you can fit adults up there as well. And you do get privacy doors here as well. Let's head on into the master bedroom and bathroom. We are inside the bathroom here. As you see, standard foot flush toilet. You do get a mirror off to the side in this pre-owned unit. Stand-up shower here. Plenty of space, residential size. Stainless steel sink. Do get some additional countertop space there, and the medicine cabinet. And then we'll swing on over to the bedroom. We are in the bedroom here. Queen size bed in this unit. As you can see, it is personalized, so if you want to change it up, add a little touch of your own decor inside, that is what camping is for. It's your home away from home. Speaking of, you do have this awesome size master closet over here, plenty of space to hold the clothes. Then over in the corner, as I just showed you, you do get washer dryer prep in there as well, so you're able to do laundry on the road. Drawer storage over here, and then you do have some entertainment in the bedroom as well, sliding door off to the side. Again, this is a 2014 Crossroads Cruiser 355BL, available now at Noteboom RV in Harrisburg, South Dakota. Give us a call, 605-743-4002, or stop on in. We are 5 miles south of Sioux Falls on Minnesota Avenue, right next to the Walmart. So right down the road, come on in, check us out right before the holidays. I know everybody's getting out of work a little early, so come on down, check it out, and we'd love to show you around. Thanks.